It seems to me we talked about prisms before, but we'll talk just a little bit more about them. Just a little bit more about them. The book calls this Analyzing Prisms. Really, all they're talking about, a prism is a three-dimensional solid. I can get this thing right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe it's going to be just going to be that way. There we go. It's a three-dimensional solid. And mostly what they're going to ask you for is about faces or vertices and edges. You can ask us faces, does it? Let me look into that. Faces, edges. Yeah, faces, edges, and vertices. Faces, which are the same thing as sides. Vertices, which are the same thing as, let's just go with the word points. And edges, what are edges? Edges are where two faces meet. We've done this, haven't we?
Yeah.
See, yes, I thought so. So if we're looking at prisms here, a prism is named for the base that it has. So for example, let's just do a rectangular prism. Prism. And I like these because you get to draw some stuff. If you're drawing a rectangular prism, okay, you start with a rectangle, not a bad rectangle, and draw an identical one kind of up and over a little bit, as much as you can identical anyway. Two identical rectangles, and then you just connect those little corners or dots or points or whatever. Lines you can't see are dashes. And there is your rectangular prism. How do we do it then? Again, it helps very much if every line you draw, you take your pencil off the piece of paper. How many faces does this rectangular prism have? How many sides, if you're looking at them? Remember, you got this one, which is the front. You got this one back here that you can't see, which is the back. You've got this, which we call the right side. And you've got this one back here you can't see, which is the left side. I'm going to do this in yellow. You've got the top right here. And you've got the bottom down here you can't see. So how many sides is that? How many faces? 6. Just like a number cube has 6 sides. Every rectangle, every box really has 6 sides. How many vertices? 4 vertices. How many corners do you see, or points? 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. How many edges? And those would be all these 1, 2, 3, 4 going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4 going that way. 4 standing straight up. That's a grand total of 12 edges. Is that the same for every prism? Will every prism you draw have 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges? No, because let's do this one. Let's do a hexagonal prism. Check this out. Think you can do this? Start with a hexagon. Try drawing another one kind of the same size. Might be a little tough. And then connect those points. Best I can do. What do you count for the number of faces on a hexagonal prism? Have you got a number of faces there? What do you think? Nobody? Connor?
10.
Not quite. Not quite that many. Zach? Zach?
11.
No, you're going farther away. Lauren?
8.
I get 8. Because you've got this front and back hexagon, and then you've got the 6 sides that surround it. This one side, that. So there's 8 faces. How many vertices? How many points? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. And there's probably another 6 on the back side. Chase for
12.
12. And how many edges? We're going to have a lot of edges there. If I'm not mistaken, the edges would be Autumn.
12.
I think there's a couple more. Caleb,
16.
I think there's more than 16. More.
18.
I get 18. Why? Because there's 6 right here that make up this. And there's that same 6 on the back side, and then there's 6 that make up the side. So 6, 6, and 6 is 18. And then maybe, just maybe, should we try an octagonal one?
Yeah.
I'll make it octagonal prism, 8 sides. These go straight down like this. Can I draw another octagon that side? Probably not very well. Probably gonna end up being bigger. They always are. I guess those aren't too bad. See if I can connect the sides here. Maybe I should try shading it. Alright, there's my octagonal prism. I don't, I have a hexagonal one. I have a pentagonal. No, octagonal. How many faces? How many faces do you see there? Or how many sides? How many sides do we got there? Zach says.
9.
What about the back here? Did you get the back there? 8 go around the sides. And Zach, there are 10 faces. Vertices. How many little points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Points, vertices. What do you think, John? 16 is correct. And I'll bet we've got a lot of edges. That would just be my guess. How many edges do you think there are there? There's 8 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many altogether? Matthew?
24.
There are. I believe there are 24 edges. It's a lot of edges. Edges.